Hey guys, welcome back to Carson Place. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today is a very special day. Kind of cold out in Indianapolis. Fall time here, but we're outside and we just got this really new lawnmower. We're here with Simeon, by the way. Simeon, say hi. Simeon, get off your phone. So this is the lawnmower that we just got. Look at that engine. It has 16 horsepower and 540 cc's. What? Yeah. We're gonna use Simeon's.
That in a YouTube video.
Yeah. So we're gonna use Simeon's thing for the
engine for this lawnmower.
Yeah.
It's basically good enough for a go-kart.
Yeah,
19 horsepower.
This thing is very heavy. This is very heavy. You see me. So you see me, like this is how I'm like 5 foot, and then this is massive.
You're not 5 foot.
I'm
I'm
5'.
5'10".
You're not 5'10".
Yes, I am. I literally got measured at the doctor.
You mean you're 4'10"?
Oh yeah, 4'10".
What do you mean? Look,
I'm 4'10".
I might be 4'11".
I got measured at the doctor's office yesterday. We're about the same size.
Comment. We're gonna give it a little bit of a rest because we tried to do this.
We have given it a little bit of a rest.
I know. All right. So, Simeon, we're gonna use your thing as a your phone as a stopwatch.
Yeah, we are using this as a
Look how sick that looks. I am going to be recording on the mower. All right. So, what's he doing? We got two mowers. Hold up. Put it.
Hang on, no. Stopwatch.
All right, ready. So I gotta get on. So how you start this bad boy is you have to.
Let me film you while you're doing it, just because.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah.
Okay. So what you have to do first. Carson, you know it's easier, like just film it on your your normal camera than the YouTube camera. I know, but. Okay, so stopwatch. Cool phone case. Okay, I'm gonna start. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna press the lap button when he's done, because we're gonna see who's a better driver. But in a couple weeks, we're going to K1 Speed, which is a go-kart place that I think you all know. That's first lap is 19 seconds. I'm gonna fix this camera real quick. So that's his first lap right there. So I'm gonna try and beat that, which I'm probably gonna do. And the lawnmower has kicked out, but he's still going strong. He just beat with the freaking lawnmower almost dead, he beat his time. Carson, last lap. And across the finish line with an 18.8. As his first time. His first time was 19.9.
Okay.
And 19.3. 18.8.
What was my fastest time?
18.8.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
Okay, so when I was stopping it is when your front came across this tree, so that's when you need to stop it, okay?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Except I did stop this one right here, so I'm gonna cut at least just a tenth off.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's 18.7.
All right. 18.7.
Or no, not 18.7, 18.9, because you're gonna add time.
All right.
Okay.
So give me the stopwatch.
Okay. So reset, and then whenever I do go around, you wanna press the last button, okay?
All right. Here he goes, ladies and gentlemen. Pull up to the starting line. Ready? Three, 2, 1, go! 4 seconds. 5 seconds. 6 seconds. Come on. Come on, we'll keep on going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. 13 seconds. Going on, going on, going on, going on. 16, 17, 18, and lap. Hold up, lap. Are we about to lap? Your best time out of 3 laps. Well, that's
15. Oh my gosh.
Dang, that was good.
15.
That was good. I thought I was gonna win that, but
Hey, I'm just gonna go with that.
it was my first time actually.
My first lap was a 21.
Yeah, it was really bad. It was really bad. You stopped and went. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.